Okay, say that we're really sorry that we did not.
We're starting over?
No, we're not.
Oh my goodness.
Say, I'm really sorry, but we forgot to push the button.
None of us here know how to use anything.
So we have just, tell them what we made. Show them the picture again.
Is it going?
You are going.
Okay, hi. So, my mother and I are not technologically advanced and don't know how to use Facebook Live. So, hello, finally. We thought we were recording the whole time and we weren't. This is what we did.
Tell them what it is.
We made Brussels sprouts. This is broccoli, onions, and sausages and sweet potatoes. We cut them, seasoned them, and roasted them in the oven. We also discussed healthy habits in the grocery store, reading labels, and things to avoid. So if you have any questions,
Stand up.
ask us.
There you go.
Where are we going? Is that good?
And that we discussed organic versus non-organic.
We talked about items to purchase that should be organic and items that are okay that are not organic. Of course, purchase at your own risk. In general, if you cannot afford all organic food, then buy what you can. Buy the suggested items. Should I hold up lists again? Hold up all the lists.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're curious, search clean 15 and dirty dozen,
Mm-hmm.
and a list should come up somewhere on the fun internet
Mm-hmm.
of items that should be purchased organic or that are okay purchased non-organic. We also talked about sugars and sugars to avoid: artificial sweeteners, cane sugar, processed and refined sugars, and then sweeteners that are okay on the paleo diet. Hello.
And here's a sheet for that.
Avoid
Yep.
these.
There's artificial sweeteners that we want to avoid. And then we learned about different vitamins. That one.
So when shopping at the grocery store, we often can read a label and not understand what a word is. It may sometimes be an ingredient that is not healthy for your body, but sometimes it can be an ingredient that is healthy for your body. For example, vitamins. So you can also search on the World Wide Web a list of vitamins from A to K and their scientific name or chemical name, so that you know, okay, I'm going to be purchasing this item and it has, let's see, I'm going to butcher a lot of these, thiamine, can pronounce that one, which is B1. So that would be a good thing for your body to ingest, whereas an artificial vitamin supplement such as vitamin A palmitate is something to avoid. Also,
Here is, I'm going to show you this on the internet, and most of the things that I have found were Pinterest related. You can search recipes. That's where I find a lot of paleo recipes. And then it also will give you shopping lists. If you're new to this and you want a shopping list, here is a Whole30, which is a modified paleo. This would be a good thing to start with, but it's a shopping list. There are meal planning and that type of thing for shopping also on the internet. But as you get used to it, then you don't need the shopping list. You make your own shopping list instead of going off of what they have. Here are a couple different books my husband had at his office. This one, Excitotoxins, The Taste That Kills. This is a book that I would say the marketing, the people that market food add additives to your food to make them addictive and very palatable. Like MSG is one that is a chemical that makes you want to eat more, but a lot of people are allergic to it. It's in a lot of chips and some Asian foods will include that, but a lot now have taken it out because people are allergic to it. And then here's a Sugar Buster book. And this one helps if you take sugar out to trim the fat. You lose weight, lower your cholesterol, achieve optimal wellness, increase your energy, help treat diabetes and other diseases. So that's kind of on taking the sugar out. So there are some of the things that you can use to find and to help you with this. I'm sorry we didn't get this recorded because it was so good, and we made different things and talked about a lot of different things. So next time we'll be on board and get it done right. So thanks for tuning in for just a little bit. Feel free to ask questions on Arkansas Physical Health and Rehab on Facebook, and we'll respond to that. So thanks. Bye.
Bye. Sorry we don't know what we're doing when it comes to technology.